Flash photography. For some, it's a scary new world, and for others, they don't think it's necessary to incorporate into their photography. Today, I'm going to show you a couple ways that adding a Speedlight to your workflow will help you up your portrait game. When I started out in photography, I was deathly afraid of using any type of flash, even a built-in one. And now I can't imagine not having a light source in my bag at all times. The best place to start is a Speedlight. Now listen, you don't need to buy the most expensive Speedlight on the market. You can start out with something as the same brand as your camera, or there's other low-cost options available as well. We've listed some of those in the description below. And if you're looking for something more high-end or pro level, we've got you covered as well. Today I'll be using this Godox Speedlight with my A1 and my 24-70 f2.8. A lot of you may be looking to graduate from your built-in flash to something more advanced. And I'm so proud of you. A built-in flash oftentimes isn't strong enough, you can't use it with manual settings, it doesn't swivel, and the biggest reason of all for me is it doesn't come off the camera. Speedlights, on the other hand, allow you to turn the light and point it in a different direction, add diffusion, gels, and the biggest one of all, you can take it off camera and trigger it from a different location. The most obvious use is direct flash, which interestingly enough has become pretty trendy lately. This will allow you to get used to your Speedlight and learning how each power affects your image. Some Speedlights come with a pop-up bounce card for you to try as well. What I love about direct flash is that it gives your images attitude and good background fall off. Sometimes, even with the lowest power, directional flash may be too strong or cause a red eye effect on your subject. A way to fix this is to bounce your light. You can turn your Speedlight to bounce either off a ceiling or a nearby wall, and this provides a softer light on your subject. Some people don't realize that yes, sometimes you need to use your flash during the day, and it's not just for night. We as humans don't have control over the sun or have the option to shoot in the best possible outdoor lighting, and this is where your Speedlight comes in handy. If your subject is standing in uneven lighting, you can use your Speedlight to fill in the shadows using directional or diffused light. Sometimes you want to expose your subject, but then your background is too blown out. Use your Speedlight to hit your subject with light while exposing for the background. Some people think that you need expensive strobes to do off-camera flash. Wrong. You can place your Speedlight on a light stand or have a friend hold it and use a second Speedlight or a trigger on your hot shoe to fire it. This will allow you to fill in your shadows more precisely and a lightweight way to strobe your subjects. And if you like to get creative, well then good news, a Speedlight is a great tool for that too. You can add colored gels to create different moods, or if you want a more unique couple image, place it behind them for a backlight for a more magical photo. For those who are into wedding photography, after a long day of portraits, have some fun with shutter drag, adding some flair to those dancing photos. And if you find yourself light painting and incorporating a subject, make your image come alive by using a Speedlight to flash your subject for a more powerful scene. Well, if you ever needed a reason to get into flash photography, now you have 5. Tag us in all of your flash photos and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'm Maria, and thanks for watching.